Today, we're exploring one of Saudi Arabia's most exciting and ambitious projects, the Mukaab. But this isn't just a building, it's an entire experience, a revolutionary approach to urban life and tourism, and a symbol of Saudi Arabia's future. In this video, we'll uncover why the Mukaab was built, the visionary design choices behind it, the complex construction process, and its purpose as a centerpiece in Riyadh's new Murabba project. Did you know the Mukaab will be one of the largest buildings in the world by volume? It's a structure so unique and monumental that it's being called a city within a building. Let's dive deep into the story of this architectural marvel. By the end of this video, you'll see why the Mukaab isn't just a building. It's a reimagined future for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and the entire concept of urban life. Historical background. To understand the significance of the Mukaab, let's look at Saudi Arabia's transformation over the past few decades. Traditionally, Saudi Arabia's economy has relied on oil, but in recent years, the kingdom has been working to diversify. This goal was crystallized in Vision 2030, a groundbreaking plan to develop a thriving, sustainable economy not dependent on oil revenue. A major part of Vision 2030 is transforming Saudi cities into global hubs for tourism, technology, and lifestyle. Projects like Neom, the futuristic city on the Red Sea coast, The Line, a linear smart city with zero carbon goals, and now the new Murabba project are setting the stage for an entirely new Saudi Arabia. The new Murabba project, which will reshape Riyadh's downtown, is designed as a smart city within a city that combines cultural attractions, commercial spaces, and high-end residential areas. And the Mukaab? It's planned as the crown jewel, a landmark that embodies Saudi Arabia's ambition for the future. So now that we know the background, let's talk about the purpose behind this massive structure. Why the Mukaab was built. At its core, the Mukaab was conceived to be more than just a building. It's a destination. Saudi Arabia is on a mission to increase tourism, and the Mukaab is a critical part of this strategy. The idea is to create an iconic landmark that attracts visitors, boosts local spending, and creates job opportunities. The Mukaab is part of Saudi Arabia's larger push to diversify its economy by developing tourism, entertainment, and lifestyle sectors. Think of it as a hub for multiple experiences. This isn't just a space for shopping or entertainment. It's designed to house immersive experiences, luxury residential units, commercial spaces, and world-class attractions. It's essentially a city within a cube, allowing people to experience art, technology, and culture in ways they never have before.
Saudi Arabia's leadership envisions the Mukaab as a world-renowned destination that draws tourists from around the globe and serves as a place for Saudis to experience the latest in technology, art, and entertainment. To understand why it's shaped the way it is, let's explore the architectural inspiration behind the Mukaab. Design inspiration in architecture. The Mukaab is, by design, one of the most unique buildings in the world. It's a perfect cube, with each side measuring about 400 meters. To put that in perspective, it's large enough to fit 20 Empire State Buildings inside. But why a cube? The shape isn't just practical, it's symbolic. The Mukaab's design is inspired by the Kaaba in Mecca, a revered site in Islam. While it's not intended to be a religious symbol, the resemblance reflects a deep connection to Saudi Arabia's heritage. This cube shape also symbolizes strength, unity, and stability, qualities that resonate with the new Murabba project's objectives. The Mukaab's interior is equally innovative, featuring open spaces designed to create an immersive, futuristic environment. Visitors will encounter shifting landscapes, 3D projections, and themed environments thanks to cutting-edge VR and AR technology. For example, you might find yourself in a rainforest one minute and in a hyper-futuristic cityscape the next. The goal is to offer constantly evolving experiences that adapt to seasons, events, or new technological trends. Structurally, building something this vast requires advanced engineering. The Mukaab's outer shell is made of ultra-high-performance concrete and glass with a lattice design, allowing natural light while providing stability. Inside, the spaces are modular, meaning they can be reconfigured to accommodate new experiences as needed. This adaptability reflects the project's future-oriented vision, ensuring that the Mukaab can evolve along with Riyadh's growing needs. With a design this ambitious, building it is no small feat. Let's talk about the engineering process behind the Mukaab. Building process. Building a structure like the Mukaab presents unique engineering challenges. Not only is the building enormous, but it also incorporates advanced technology and sustainable design principles. To build the Mukaab, Saudi Arabia enlisted some of the world's top architects and engineers to bring this ambitious vision to life. One of the major challenges was creating a climate-controlled environment in Riyadh's hot, arid climate. The Mukaab incorporates high-performance glass, specialized insulation, and advanced air conditioning systems powered by solar panels to reduce its carbon footprint. Its construction will use local materials wherever possible to reduce transportation emissions, aligning with Vision 2030's sustainability goals.
Then, there's the logistics. The construction of the Mukaab will involve fabricated modular components, which means parts of the building are assembled off-site and then brought in for final construction. This approach speeds up the construction process and minimizes waste, making it more sustainable. The Mukaab will also be integrated with Riyadh's smart city infrastructure, meaning it will have built-in sensors to monitor energy use, foot traffic, and environmental factors, helping make it one of the most efficient and adaptable structures in the world. And, of course, no detail was too small. Even the elevators inside the Mukaab are high-tech, using energy-efficient systems designed to minimize environmental impact. All of this effort is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that's as sustainable as it is striking. Now, let's look at the main purpose of this incredible building and how it's designed to change the way people experience Riyadh. Purpose of the Mukaab. The Mukaab's purpose goes beyond providing entertainment and shopping. It's an entire lifestyle and cultural hub designed to offer experiences that can't be found anywhere else in the world. Imagine visiting a digital art gallery with exhibits that respond to your movements, or shopping in a luxury store with products only available at the Mukaab. The Mukaab's interior is divided into distinct zones: cultural spaces for art installations and virtual galleries, residential areas with high-end apartments, shopping zones featuring both international and local brands, and a central plaza where large-scale events and exhibitions can take place. One of the main attractions will be the Immersive Experience Center, where visitors can explore virtual environments, interactive displays, and futuristic technology up close. It's also a residential space, with luxury apartments designed for residents who want to live in the heart of Riyadh's most dynamic area. The apartments will be state-of-the-art, with smart home technology, sustainable energy solutions, and stunning views of the Riyadh skyline. And for tourists, the Mukaab offers exclusive hotels and short-term stays, positioning it as a prime destination for anyone visiting Riyadh. But how does the Mukaab fit into Saudi Arabia's larger vision for the future? The Mukaab in Saudi Vision 2030. The Mukaab is a symbol of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. By creating this landmark, the kingdom is making a statement. It's open to the world and ready to offer groundbreaking experiences. The Mukaab's innovative design and integration with Riyadh's infrastructure reflect Saudi Arabia's goals of modernization, economic diversification, and sustainable urban living. The Mukaab and the new Murabba project will generate thousands of jobs, create new opportunities for local businesses, and increase tourism. More than just a building, the Mukaab represents a new chapter for Riyadh, aiming to position Saudi Arabia as a global leader in smart city and sustainable development. Let's close out with a look at the lasting impact this project could have on Saudi Arabia and the world. To wrap it all up, the Mukaab is more than a landmark, it's a vision. It reflects the new Saudi Arabia, a country that's redefining its future while respecting its heritage. The Mukaab offers visitors and residents a unique experience, a mix of technology, tradition, and luxury all in one place. Will the Mukaab become a global icon? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, it's redefining what's possible in architecture, urban planning, and tourism. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you visit the Mukaab? Leave a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating structures. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think.